Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to generate e-invoice in Tally Prime in 2024. So we're delving into an essential aspect of modern taxation, specifically how to generate an e-invoice in Tally Prime in 2024. E-invoicing streamlines the billing process and ensures compliance with digital tax regulations. So stick around as I guide you through the step-by-step process of generating an e-invoice in Tally Prime. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and open or launch the Tally Prime on your computer. If you don't have it, you can simply go and open whatever browser you're using, go to this URL section, type Tally Prime, hit the enter button, go and click on download, and simply in here, click in the middle here on download and start downloading it. Once it's download, click on it and start installing it on your PC. Once it's installed, just go and launch it on your computer, as simple as that. Of course, it will take like 10 seconds or so to launch, so be patient. Once you do so, just go and choose your license. You can activate a new one, reactivate one, use the license from network, or continue in educational mode. For me, I will do so to just show you how to generate an invoice. Of course, I'll not have a lot of options, or I'll not have the full options in here for me. For you, make sure to have your license, of course, to access even your company and etc. And this is, of course, where you will, this is the central hub, of course, and this is gateway of Tally as an example. But for you, of course, before even, make sure that you're using the correct company and you have the necessary permissions to generate an e-invoice. If you don't, you'll not be able to. So in the Tally Prime dashboard, navigate to this Tally or gateway of Tally, as you can see, this one. Here you will find masters, transactions, utility reports, a lot of other stuff. So what you would like, of course, to do, of course, this is like the central hub where you can access various features and the functions related to your accounting data. So for you, you'll have to go in sales like Vulture. Sorry, I entered that by mistake. So you'll have to go to transactions example vouchers. And here's an example. You'll have to enter like the account. And then after that, like particulars, end of the list, save it, and you will have your invoice. Of course, no entries in voucher. So I'll just go back. And of course, as an example, if you didn't find it here, like as an example, these vouchers will not take you to it. What you'll need to do, simply go, click on here, go to, or click on G, of course, whatever suits you. And here, make sure to go to sales vouchers. Of course, if you spell something wrong, as you can see, you'll get this error, spelling error. You'll have just to retype it, no problems. So once you find this here, you can simply go and double click on that to access it. Here, as you can see, you'll find the list of all sales vouchers. And within, of course, the sales vouchers, you can fill in the relevant details for the transaction. This will include details such as the party name, item details, quantity, rates, or any other necessary information. Just go and fill it out here. Of course, you can simply, just as you can see here all the vouchers, but for you, you'll have to, or you want to add new one. Go here and click on add a new one, as an example, or type on A. You can even insert one if you already have one you want to insert it from somewhere else. You can do it. For me, I'll just go and click on add a voucher to add a new one. So you'll have, of course, to add it. And once you add it, of course, just click on accept, of course, and you'll be basically like good to go. Of course, you can, like, if you have any problem entering anything, you can always go here to help, go to troubleshooting. That's if you have a problem. So, of course, you can, like, here start and fill out all the information about us, like the time, the amount, the particulars, account, current balance, narration, all the things that you want. And once you add everything, you'll be good to go. As simple as that. So go to sales voucher. And once you go there, within that sales voucher, of course, this, of course, will you initiate the process of generating e-invoice. Go and click on add the voucher. Of course, you can even insert one, as I said before. Then start filling the voucher details, as I said. As you can see, for me, I'll not have like all the options because, as I said before, I'm just in an educational option, so I'll not have all the options in here. But for you, you'll be able to add anything that you want. So just start as example by filling up, I don't know, the dates. I don't know. After that, maybe you can go and start filling other informations. Like you can fill up all the informations of your invoice. And once you like while on sales voucher, you can even enable the e-invoice mode. This is like typically a checkbox or an option within the voucher entry screen. You can activate the e-invoice mode and ensure that the generates e-invoice complies with digital tax regulation. You can do that, of course, on data and etc. And once the e-invoice mode is enabled, you can verify that all the details on the voucher align with the requirements of an e-invoice. You can check for accuracy in the party details, item details, and any other like some relevant informations. And of course, like once you finish, just go and click on accept and the voucher will be completed. Of course, you can go and choose even like contra, payment, receipts, journal, sales, whatever it is for me. Uh, just go and enter that. Of course, like once you finish, you'll be able to, as I said before, you can go here to change mode as a voucher, accounting, invoice. You'll be able to do a lot of other stuff that you can check by your own. That you will even get used to. If you click here on configure, you'll be able to configure some informations that that might be interested or interesting to you. And yeah, that's gonna be it. So for me, I'll just go here, go back, and go back. And yeah, we are on the dashboard again. For you, of course, to ensure that the e-invoice has been successfully generated, you will have to navigate into the GCR1 reports or the relevant section for the e-invoice within Tally Prime. Verify that the generated e-invoice appear in the correct details, with the correct details, sorry, and you'll be good to go. Or simply just of course, go to invoices and check that your invoice is in there. And if it is, yeah, there you have it. You successfully learned how to generate an e-invoice in Tally Prime. E-invoicing, of course, is crucial component for digital taxation. And Tally Prime simplifies, of course, the process for businesses to do so. So if you have a specific like question or the specific topic that you'd like me to cover in the next tutorial, just drop it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and goodbye.